Hello and welcome back. If you've been trying to manifest but feel like things are moving slowly, this message may change everything. Today, I'm going to show you how to use script writing to manifest faster, not by forcing outcomes, but by aligning your mind, emotions, and identity with what you want. Script writing is a manifestation technique where you write as if your desire has already happened, not hoping, not wishing, but remembering. You're not convincing the universe, you're convincing your subconscious. When your subconscious believes something is already true, your actions, emotions, and energy naturally begin to match it. And that's when reality shifts. The most powerful time to script is when your mind is relaxed and open. This includes right before sleep, just after waking up, after meditation, or when you feel calm and present. At these times, your subconscious is more receptive, making your script land deeper and faster. If you're journaling with me now, begin like this. Start in the present tense. Write as if today is the day after your manifestation has already arrived. For example, I'm so grateful now that my desire has manifested so effortlessly. Everything unfolded in perfect timing. I feel calm, secure, and deeply aligned. Next, describe how your life feels. What surprised me most was how natural it all felt. I feel confident in myself. I trust my decisions. I wake up knowing I'm supported. Then add emotion. This is the key. I feel relieved. I feel proud. I feel peaceful knowing things worked out even better than I imagined. Finally, close with certainty. Looking back, I realize everything happened exactly when it was meant to. Here are prompts you can use for faster results. Today I realized my manifestation was already unfolding behind the scenes. The moment I stopped doubting, everything shifted. I'm grateful that my new reality feels so normal now. What I once hoped for is now part of my everyday life. The version of me who doubted no longer exists. Write slowly. Feel each sentence. Let your nervous system relax into belief. Script writing works because it doesn't chase the future. It remembers it. And when your mind remembers something as real, the universe follows. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omniscient family at The Omniscients by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together.